Now let's see what a second degree equation is and what a homogeneous equation is. So a secondary equation is just multiplying two general equations of a linear line, right? If we just multiply two general equations of a line and equate that equal to 0, you get a second degree equation in two variables, the two variables being x and y, right? Okay, that's just simple enough. Now let's see what a homogeneous equation is. Now, if we let a function in the variables x and y be equal to 0, so for example, if you have let's say 2x plus 2y is equal to 0, right? And this is equation 1. It is called a homogeneous equation of the degree n, which is a positive, which must be a positive integer. Then you can apply this rule, and it will make it a homogeneous equation, right? So, say you have f of kx and ky, k being a constant, and basically in this case you have 2 as that constant. Then you can apply the function of xy and take the k outside. So you can write this down as 2x plus 2y, which is basically just f of 2x to y. You can equate that equal to 2 into x plus y, or 2 into f of x, y. And hence this is a homogeneous equation.